Hello everyone, in today's video I will be showing you how to edit video using Canva. So Canva have two different accounts, the free account or the pro account. But today I'm going to be using my pro account since I already have my pro account, and I'm going to show you how I edit my video using the Canva. So even if you have free account, you can still edit like I do. So let's get started, and I hope you enjoy this video. Welcome back everyone. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I edit my video, especially the song cover that I do, where I don't show my face, but you'll see like the slideshow of different people and the backgrounds and just different videos really. So I use the Canva for that because it's easy to layer using Canva, but I also use KineMaster, but most of the time when I do my song cover, I use a Canva, and then there's different layer that I do, and I just move it to iMovie and layered it more in there. But today I'm gonna show you how you can layer your video editing using Canva. So if you don't have any account in Canva, just go ahead and go to canva.com and sign up for your free account. You can do free account or pro account. If you don't have any budget yet for the pro account, just stay with free account. There's a lot of things that you can do with free account as well, and you can edit video using the free account as well. So once you get into Canva, you'll see this page in here, the home page. And if you're doing the long form video, you're gonna do this right here, the 1920 by 1080. But if you want the short video, they also have that. You just click the mobile video. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to do the long form video. So I'm just going to click that. And then for this one, everyone, I want to put, let's see, the background first. Let's see. So for me to put the background first, I'm going to go to elements, which is located on the left side. So I'm going to use, like, let me see, sunset. I'm going to look for a sunset. So since I'm doing a cover and it's video, I'm going to look for a video to go over my original video. So I'm going to click videos, and I'm going to just see what I can find here. I want a beautiful sunset. Okay, so that is the video I choose. So I'm just going to stretch this one. So this is my background. So this is how I want my video to show. So now I'm going to add my original video, and throughout the video, everyone, all you can see is this one right here. So if you have not uploaded your video yet, just click the uploads and then upload files, and then look for that certain video that you want to use to edit. Okay, so since I already have my video, I'm going to go ahead and add the video. So I'll just click video and then click this one right here. So I don't want my face to show. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this video, and then you click this right here, the transparency. So I would click that and put it to 0. Okay. So there you don't see the face anymore. So I'll show you how it looks now. So that's how it looks. And if you want a different backgrounds, everyone that's playing, what you can do is click the bar right here in this bottom, and then right click and then do a split. And then with this one, you can add another background. So go back to elements. So this is my recently used. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one, but you can do waterfalls, type waterfalls, then click the videos, and we'll look for waterfalls video that we can use. So this one right here is pretty. So we're gonna do that. Okay, stretch that one. All right, so let's play. And that's how you get and that's how you get different backgrounds. So it's very easy, everyone. It's all about layered, and really it takes a lot of time to edit the layered video, but the result is amazing. So after you do all that, you just name this one. So like for this one, I'll just say Anna song cover. So after that, you just click share, download, and when you download the video, just put drag this all the way. You can only do this with Pro. With free, I think it's just 1080, but with Pro, I can make it 4K. But 1080 is good. So once it's ready to download, you just click the download and it will save in your desktop. So, but if you also want to have different background back to back, just do a split screen, like, let me see. And then with this one, I'm gonna do photos. So you can do photos as well. So like, let me see, let me put this in here. So like this. So just make sure this fit here pretty. Okay, so this one I want to do these waterfalls here. That's, oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Okay, so I want to center this area here a little bit. Okay, I guess it won't center. So this one I want to cut this and then cut this right here. You can cut short or however you want, by second. So this one I'm gonna add this beautiful right here. So as the song is playing, the song cover you made is playing, your audience will see different background throughout the video. And I'm sure you've seen the song cover that I did, that I have different people, the couple, the lovers and stuff. So okay, so now what I can do is click here to show you. So start. So you can do the same thing. Just you can alternate video, picture, video, or you can do all video, or you can do all pictures. It's all up to you. You can really play here on Canva, and then not only that, you can go to elements and add like quote, or like different emoji. Like, okay, you can say subscribe. Okay, so YouTube subscribe. You can add this to your um the video as it's playing, so you can put in the bottom, or you can add like and follow us on social media. So it's in this, everyone. There's really a lot of things that you can do using Canva. So I hope that you enjoy this video, everyone. And remember, it's really easy to use on Canva. There's a lot of things that you can choose from, like hold on, let me click this one right here. You can even do presentation, Facebook landscape. If you have a Facebook page, you can use that as well. You can create a thumbnail using uh, Canva. So this is for the thumbnails template. You can make your own, but there's a lot of templates that you can pick. And let me see this. They have a, for YouTube short, they also have that. And for Instagram story, they also have that one. So I hope that this video help you on editing your video using Canva. You don't have to spend money to edit your video. You can definitely use Canva for free. And there's so many things that they offer for free account as well. But if you don't have, if you have the budget, you can simply sign up for Pro, because on Pro you can delete background, and I think like the shadow and stuff. There's a lot, like you can save bigger file as well, especially if you have some business online. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that this tutorial helped you. If you have other tutorial using Canva that you want, please let me know in the comments down below. Bye bye everyone. I will see you all again next time.